friends, how are you doing? Today I am going to show you another pattern which is very easy. In this is the pattern. I have put multiple of 5 and 5 stitches extra. Let's start the pattern. I have put here 30 stitches and knit 3 rows. You can knit either the rows like knitting or like purl, any side. It's up to your choice, and then you can put any border. We will start the main pattern. So for that we need just 4 rows, one side knit and another side purl, knit and purl, and after that we will put 2 lines of purl and knit. Let's start the pattern. I will leave 3 this side and 2 this side, and then we will use rest 5 5 5 for the pattern. So 1 2 and 3. Now the pattern starts. This first stitch we will fold the thread twice and knit it, then 4 more, 1 2 3 and 4. After 4 we will make the stitch by folding twice, 1 2. This is number 5. Again 1 2 3 and 4. Again the 5th one we will fold twice and knit it. So again 4 1 2 3 and 4. After 4, the 5th one we have to knit by folding the thread twice. So again we will knit 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Again number 5 we will fold the thread like this twice and knit it. Again we come to number 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and rest 2 we will leave like that, means we will knit it. So this is the first row, the straight side of the pattern. The second row, wrong side as we purl normally. So we will purl all stitches except those folded one. 1 2 3. This fold one we open, 1 2. So here we are having 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, because these are the last stitches, 4 plus 1. So these are 6. When we go this side, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now this is the open one. Again 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4. We will purl 4 and open this one. The 5th stitch we will open. Again 4 2 3 and 4, and the 5th one, the open one. 1 3 4, and this is the fold stitch which we have to open. Again 1 2 3 4. and here we reach the open stitch, and now 3 are left on the side, and this side 4 plus 2 are left for the second step of the pattern. So now we go to the third row. Again same, means we have to knit all except the folded one, the long one. So 1, 2, 3, and this first one, this we will leave like that, just slip, again 4, now we reach to the slip stitch. It will remain the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the slip stitch. It will remain same. Again we knit 4. Slip stitch. This long stitch we will just slip on the right needle, four, again. Now 6 stitches are left this side, 4 from this and 2 extra. Now this is our fourth row. We will purl all. Here we will purl that long stitch also. We will purl the whole row. So this is finished. It's like this. Now this is the right side, so we will purl all the stitches, and the wrong side we will knit all the stitches. So this is the right side, we will purl all. Now the back side of the pattern we will knit all. So it shows this way. So pattern is like this. Now here we started, after 3 we fold the thread, 1 2 3 4 5. So now after 3 and 3, then we will change this one. So now the normal row, straight side, knit all, same row, 1 2 3. After 3, before we put this, now 3 more we will take, then we will change, 2 3. So all together 6. Now we will knit this by folding twice. So 1 2 3 and 4, and number 5, fold and knit 1 2 3 and 4. So again number 5, where we need to fold the stitch twice, 1, 2. Again knit 4, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is knit the stitch by folding twice, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 1, 2. Then 3 are left this side. Now the back row wrong side, same, purl the stitches, only the fold stitch don't purl. 1, 2, 3, 4, and open the fold stitch. 1, 2, 4, and 5. Fifth one, open the stitch. 1, 4. This is number 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 6. So when you make, to change this, one time the 6 will go this side, one time the 6 will go this side, 6 stitches on each side. If here it is 3, here will be 6. If here 6, here will be 3. So now this is the third row of the pattern. Knit all. Five, 6, but this one just slip. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slip this stitch. 1, slip this one. After 4, number 5 needs to be slipped. 4. Now this is the slip stitch. Again we have to knit 4, 2, 3, and 4, and slip this one, fifth one, and now left 3 stitches on this side. Now we go to the fourth row, purl all the stitches including the slip stitch. So our pattern is over with this. So it is this way. Here after 3 we are folding the stitch twice, and here after 6 we are folding the stitch. After each 4 stitches, this is the fifth one, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. This also the same. After this 4, then long stitch, 4, long stitch, long stitch, long stitch. Now to give the change little space, we need to put these 2 rows. So right side, which mostly we use as knit. We will purl it, and the wrong side we will knit. So this is the right side. We will purl instead of knitting.